Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Tzatziki sauce with sour cream. To begin, gather your fresh ingredients: 1 large cucumber, a container of full-fat sour cream, and a few cloves of garlic. You'll also need fresh dill, a squeeze of lemon juice, and of course, salt and pepper to taste. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. The first crucial step is preparing your cucumber. Grate 1 large cucumber using the coarse side of a box grater. Once grated, place the cucumber in a clean kitchen towel or paper towels and squeeze out as much excess water as possible. This simple action is key to preventing your tzatziki from becoming watery and ensures a thick, creamy consistency. Now it's time to bring everything together. In a medium bowl, combine your drained, grated cucumber with 1 1/2 cups of sour cream and 2 cloves of finely minced garlic. Next, stir in 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped dill, 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, and season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Mix until all ingredients are thoroughly combined. For the best flavor, cover your tzatziki and refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes. This chilling time allows all the wonderful flavors to meld and deepen, creating a more harmonious and delicious sauce. Once chilled, give it a final stir and serve your delicious homemade tzatziki with pita bread, grilled meats, or fresh vegetables. It's incredibly versatile and always a crowd pleaser. For more great tips on managing your finances, check out the link in the description for a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other helpful deals. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.